Hi everyone, so today I have a fun video. Of course, it's festival season and I wanted to do a festival look for you guys, a fun, cute, I don't have that much things, I'm just working with what I have, so it's not gonna be too outrageous, but we're gonna have fun here. So, if you want to see how I create a cute festival look, then please keep watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much, and let's get started. I do have a couple of goodies here that I received from a cool company, and it's called Starlit Studio. So they sent me a whole bunch of glitter. My look is obviously going to be all about glitter because I got a lot of things here. So Starlit Studio is a company that just started. You can find them at Target, which is super cool, and they are super affordable. Look how cute this is. This is a glitter bay hair and body glitter pouch. So it's a pouch full of glitter and it's for the hair and the body. And also I have this Stellar glitter body roller and it looks like this, and this one I love. So I think this is the one that I'm going to be using today for here, and I might even throw this one on my hair, who knows. They also sent a Mythical Liquid Lid eyeshadow, which is beautiful. It's this royal blue one. I don't think I'm going to be using this one today, but I can't wait to use this. Also, they sent over their Stars Align eyeliners, and they sent one in the color Orbit and the other one in the color Alloy. So these two are just gorgeous. I don't know if I'm going to be using these today, maybe this one. And then they also sent over this Starlit Studio Kaleidoscope eyeshadow quad, and it looks so cute, so I'm going to be using this one today for the eyes. I don't really know what I want to do here and see what we come up with. I do have my little bungalong here, I don't know, because I wanted to do the split here and put a little bit of glitter onto my split. I want to add glitter here and glitter on the lips. I do have my unicorn's knot lip thingy that I've used before, and today I'm using the Double Dare Spa Tone Up Primer. I'm gonna apply this all over the face. So for the foundation, I'm going to be using the Matte Ambition, and I'm in the color Light Golden. I'm just going to apply that all over the face. So I'm just going to blend that all over the face, make sure everything is well blended, buffing that right into the skin. And I'm using a Shayna B Miami beauty sponge. Curious about the accessories. I got the necklace from Forever 21. These earrings, they are so old. I got them, I don't even know from where, way long ago, so I can't really tell you. Pretty sure Forever 21 has similar earrings. So I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer, and this has been my go-to. I just love the way it feels under the eye area. I love how creamy it is. So I'm just going to blend that out underneath the eye area. I'm not going to go too crazy with concealer because it's a festival look, and for a festival you actually don't want to be applying too much makeup. So less is more when it comes to festival makeup because you're gonna be sweating, and yeah. I just like to add concealer because I do have some really bad dark circles. So for the high points of my face, just adding a highlighter is enough because you don't want to be too cakey, you don't want to have too much makeup. You can bring that up to the lid so that it can be a base for your eyeshadows. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the one and only Profusion Highlight and Contour Palette, and I like to use the color Beige Light. I'm just going to contour my nose, my cheek, my forehead, and under the chin area. For the cheeks, I'm going to be using Jane Cosmetics Multicolored Bronzing Powder. For blush and highlight, I'm going to be using this Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert cheek palette, and I love this one. This one's in Rose Rush, and honestly, a little goes a long way with this. This is insanely pigmented. Dab that onto the cheeks and blend it out towards the contour. I'm going to add a little bit of blush on this area too. We're going to do the same to the other side. For highlight, we're going to be going on with this. For the highlight, we're also going to be going on top of that with some glitter. I just love it. Look at that. OMG. This highlighter, I swear, is going to be my favorite. Like, why? There should be more highlighters like this in the world. Where have you been all my life? Okay, eyes. I think I'm just gonna do some of this yellowish gold on the lid, but for all around the eye, I'm just gonna add this color right here just to have a base. So I'm gonna add that to the crease area, bring that up to the brow bone, and just blend that out onto the lid as well. I'm gonna be adding this yellowish goldish color. Of course, we're gonna be going over that with some glitter, which is this one right here. Wow, this is pigmented. I'm gonna add this beautiful color right here. I'm gonna apply that on top of gold eyeshadow. I'm only trying to apply that close to the lash line. If I start bringing it up, then it's gonna go into my crease. So honestly speaking, you know how I am when it comes to my channel, and I'm not gonna lie to you, and I want to keep it 100 with you guys. This right here fue un desastre right now. So I'm going to try and add this one right here on top of that to see if it actually gives the glitter that I want and it just doesn't wash off my eyeshadow. I'm not talking crap about the product. It's just on top of eyeshadow, it does not work. So maybe alone it will work. Try this again. We're gonna add this now on top of the little glitter that we have. Beautiful, that's what we wanted. We're gonna let that dry and not move too much because you don't want it to go up into the crease. You like my little fan? It's from Double Dare Spa. I'm not trying to look up too much. So, yeah. So I actually want to take the green color, which is this green right here. Mascara, we're going to be using the It Cosmetics mascara. For the brow and inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the same highlighter that I used, which is this beautiful one. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at it. Look how beautiful she is. This is the Rose Rush Full Spectrum Cheek Palette. Go and get it. It won't let you down, honestly. While the lashes dry, we're gonna go in with the roller and I'm gonna apply this all over the body. Wow. You just wanna spread that all over the body. You wanna be glittery. You wanna put it on your shoulders. Everywhere that you're gonna be showing skin. Ooh, sparkly. Face, I wanted to apply a little bit on here, so let's see how that works. It's looking cute. I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. So now we're gonna take this pouch and we're gonna put it on the hair. And I might add a little bit of this on top of that because I feel like we need more glitter, right? This is just a mask brush, but I'm gonna use it for my hair. Ooh, that looks so cool. Starts off and part it. Guys, this is like literally my first time doing this, so if it looks crazy, bear with me. That looks so cute. I like it. I'm gonna add some to my puffies too. Let's see how that looks on the puffies. You can tell for this video I'm only adding the front because that's the only part you're gonna be seeing. But I would probably add it all over the little bun thing I have going on here. So I'm gonna add a little bit on to the highlight because I'm only gonna do little dots and then blend it out. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. When you bring it above the brow, you kind of want to blend it out so it doesn't look like you just slapped glitter on there. I am loving it. So I forgot about my lashes and they overdried and you guys didn't remind me. So yeah, we got beef now. So let's just go on to the lips. You want to make sure you add a good amount because you're going to be adding glitter on top of that. So you want it to stick. And we're gonna take the glitter, and this one's in gold. So you're gonna take this part of the brush set because you have a little fluffy brush here, and that's to remove the excess of the glitter, but this is to tap it onto the lips, this part. Oh my god, do you see that? That is beautiful. So again, you add a generous amount. This part right here, you're gonna remove the excess. Okay, so the lashes are in, and mind you, I let them dry like 3 times. Okay guys, I think that's it for this look. Let me just let down my hair because, you know, I wasn't gonna leave my hair all up. So this is the finished look. This is my fun festival look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope, you know, it was useful, or if it wasn't, then you just enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.